Okay. And now we will see the layout with list views. This one. So first of all, I will undo the previous. I will delete all this stack and the containers and everything. I delete this. Great. And here at the page level, I click on Add Widget, and we select the list view. List view. And to give you a comparison, it's very the behavior is very similar to columns and rows. Imagine that the list view is a column, and now I will add a row, and I will add a text and an icon, okay? Because inside the row you can add whichever design you need, okay? And then this row will be something like this. This is not the relevant part. The relevant part is the list view. Imagine that the list view is the equivalent to a column, okay? And I'll make now, the only difference is that you will see some different properties here on the right. But before, we need some mockup data. In this case, we have 3, 4, 5 users, and we always have an email. Yeah, we have always an email, right? So I will, no, this document has nothing, so I will delete this document. Document fields, delete document. Yeah, we have four items. So I'll make the query collection first. Okay, so I go to the list view, and well, I have 2 errors here. API action configuring correctly for API call. Why is this? Well, I'll delete this because now it's not necessary. Okay, this is not necessary now. Delete. I select, right click on directly in the keyboard, delete. Okay, and now no errors now. And we were in the page of login. Fine. And the query collection, as you know, we come here, backend query, add a backend query, query collection of users, list of documents. And to show you something new, it's not really the point of this class, but I will show you now how to order by email in alphabetical order. Okay? Confirm, and now it's telling me something similar to when we were building the same backend query with the columns. We confirm, and if I launch this, well, I have to first come here to the text now and tell it that instead of this text, should load from the backend query the email. And the button will do nothing, it's just to show you some visual context. If I launch this, okay, I launch this, and there we have it. I load the same, then I'll load all the users. And you might be thinking, okay, but what's the point? I mean, if I don't see any change compared to the columns, and there are some like as I said, the list view is thought to work with an unknown amount of items. For example, I don't know if I will have 30, 50, or 100, right? So I have some properties. For example, if I want to show the empty list widget or not, if I want to display the data vertically or horizontally, you see, in this case it's a bit strange because the item is a row, but if I change the row for another item, okay, let's see what happens. It might not make sense because a column, it's not. I'll change the column for a, you see, it displays the data, and I can do the scrolling, you see. I can do this. So it doesn't behave exactly the same way than the with the columns. Okay. I will change this row and I will replace it with I'll replace it with a card better. Card that will have only a text, and the text will be the email. Okay, you see cards are these elements that are some sort of boxes. With they will fit better in the grid view, and if we reload, here we have it. You see, now I'm able to do scroll horizontally, or just changing this item, I can do it vertically. Sorry, I didn't change here. Vertical. Yes. Now it looks much better. Okay. And that's it, to be honest. Like, you have some padding properties. You have here, you can reverse it, or not much. There's not much to say about this layout element. Just remember that if the amount of items it's unknown and can be massive, this is better suitable because behind the scenes it's performing more efficiently than the columns and rows. Okay.